Weather and disasters. It's cloudy. It's overcast. It's windy. It's lightning. It's thundering. It's spitting. It's drizzling. It's raining. It's pouring. It's stormy. It's sunny. It's warm. It's extremely hot. It's snowing. It's cold. It's foggy. Drought. The effects of climate change include sea level rises and increased frequencies of droughts, storms, and extreme temperatures. Flood. My city flooded when the river burst its banks. Blizzard. They got stuck in the blizzard for 5 hours. Hail. There will be widespread showers of rain, hail, and sleet. Earthquake. In 2023, an earthquake destroyed much of Turkey. Avalanche. Various avalanches are sliding slowly down the mountain. Tsunami. I left the area after I lost my house and my family in the tsunami. Volcanic eruption. Scientists fear that a volcanic eruption on the Canary island of La Palma will send a chunk of island collapsing into the sea. Forest fire. Wildfires destroyed thousands of acres across Oregon. Sandstorm. They are subjected to sandstorms, flies and mosquitoes. Tornado. Look. Tornado is moving forward to him. Hurricane. The roof of their house caved in during a hurricane. Typhoon. The 169,000-ton vessel went down during a typhoon in the South China Sea. Cyclone. A cyclone swept across my country, killing 1,000 people.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.